In this video, we are going to see and resolve the issue that if your Microsoft Edge is not allowing you to install the extensions, or it is blocking you from installing the extensions, here is a quick fix for you. We first close the browser and go to the start menu and right here regedit. Right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. Now before doing anything, I always recommend you to take the backup. Go to the file, click on export, save it to whatever location and whatever memory you want to keep with the file name that says before making this particular change. You can write about that and you save it, and when anything goes wrong you can always import the backup and that should be good to go. So once that is done, we will head over to the local machine folder, expand the software folder. Now we will find policies and there are a lot of folders, so it's very easy to find. Just select any folder basically and press P on your keyboard, which will take you to the P section, and here is policies. Expand that, expand Microsoft, and here you will find Edge, Microsoft Edge, here it is. And here if you extend, you will find this main or extension install allow list or disallow list, but if you don't find it, you can create that. So we just right click and select new and click on key, so it will create a new key and we will create that folder, but just make sure that you follow the exactly same way, the same spellings without any spaces, like this, like I am showing. It says extension install allow list, hit enter. So this should be exactly the same. If the first letter is capital of the word, you have to make it capital without any space, and if it is small, you have to keep it small. Just double click on it, and on the right hand side we can set the configuration. And after that we also click on rename, right click on it, click on new, click on dword 32-bit. We'll put this value here, and if you want to allow, you'll put 1 here, and if you want to disallow, you will keep 0 here. Click OK. After that you close out of here, restart your computer once if you need to, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.